guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how you guys are doing? So guys, today guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to create this very nice party eve smoky eye look. So if you want to know how I created this look, please continue watching. And yes, this will be my officially the last makeup video of this year. I can't believe 2019 has passed so fast, and yeah, I'm so excited to create this last video of my 2019, and I really enjoyed creating this smoky eye look. This is my very first smoky eye look, guys, and trust me, I'm so happy how it turned out. So if you are interested to know how I created this look, please continue watching. And yes, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you can also connect with me on Instagram. All the links are in the description down below. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video and see how I created this very glam party look. As usually, I'm taking my Master Prime Maybelline Blur and Smooth Primer, and I'll be applying all over the area where I need to blur out the pores and even out the skin tone. After applying the primer, I'm taking my Clinique Even Better foundation, and today I'll be doing it in Instagram style. So I'm just taking a very few drops and applying it on my cheeks, on my forehead. Now I'm taking my damn beauty blender and I'll be dabbing the foundation into my skin. I take a lot of time to do my base because flawless base is very important, guys. It should look like your skin, not like as you have applied a lot of foundation. So I do the dabbing motion and spread the foundation all over my face. After doing my foundation, I'm taking my Age Rewind Maybelline concealer and I'll be concealing the dark circles of my face, and also I'll be hiding the acne scars or marks if I have. So I'm just applying on my nose, forehead, very little bit around the jawline, and now I'm taking my damn beauty blender and just blending out the concealer. Concealer is basically to highlight the face, and now I'm just doing my eyebrows, and I'm taking my eyeshadow palette and just selected the black eyeshadow and just following the natural shape of my brow. After that, I'm taking my Fit Me concealer and I'll be concealing the eyebrow with the help of an angle brush. So I'm just hiding out any extra growth of my eyebrow, and I'm just doing it very slowly to highlight the eyebrows. After that, I'm taking my tape and just putting it around the eye to protect the fallout of the eyeshadow. Now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution by Petra eyeshadow palette and I'm selecting a shade in Coral and using it as my transition shade and applying it all over the crease. So I'm just defining my crease and using my Pro Art blending brush and just blending out around my crease and all over my eyelid. I'm not going above my crease, I'm just blending out the eyeshadow into my crease and doing the same onto the other eye. After that, I'm selecting a deeper brown shade and I'm just highlighting the crease with the help of an angle brush. After applying it on both the eyes, I'll be taking my blending brush and just blend out the eyeshadow which I applied. Now I'm taking all things black from my eyeshadow palette and just highlighting the crease with the help of an angle brush. So I'm just applying into the crease. So I'll be doing the same onto the other eye, and after that I'll take my blending brush and just blend out the black eyeshadow. I'm doing this step just to define my crease and to give that smoky eye effect. So now I have taken my blending brush and just blending out evenly and mixing all the eyeshadows which I applied. After that, I'm taking the same shade and just patting with the help of a small brush onto my lid. So I'm just taking the small amount of eyeshadow and just building up the color and just patting it on my eyelid. The point is to just pack the all things black eyeshadow onto my lid. After that, I'll be taking the same shade glitter from my Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow collection, and I'll be applying it all over the area where I applied the black eyeshadow. So I'm just applying very slowly, and this eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, is really good, guys, for the price which I got, and I'll be reviewing the liquid eyeshadow in my next video. After that, I'll be removing the tape, and with the help of the same transition shade, I'm doing my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the black eyeshadow and applying it and smoking out the lower lash line with the help of the black eyeshadow. Now I'm taking a glitter eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone and inner corner of my eye. Now I'm taking my Fit Me Maybelline loose powder and just baking my under eye, and with the help of the powder brush I'll be applying it all over my face and just applying very little. Now I'm taking my Colossal Maybelline liquid liner and I'll be doing my winged eyeliner. I'm not that very good at doing the eyeliner, but liquid pen eyeliner is really easy to apply, guys, and I just follow the shape of my eye and just do the wing eyeliner. I'm not going above my crease and just following the angle of the eyeshadow. So I'll do the same on the other eye and do the winged eyeliner. This eyeliner is of very good quality and I just got it for 500 rupees during sale on Nykaa. After doing my eyeliner, I'm taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and I'll be applying it on my eyelashes and highlighting the eyelashes because today I'm not doing the false lashes. And I'll do the same on my lower lash line. After that, I'm taking my Glam K Play Melon highlighter and I'll be highlighting my face. This highlighter is very good and it acts as a bronzer as well. So I'm just applying on the high point of my face. After that, I'll be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Rose blusher and just apply on my cheeks. This blush is one of my favorite blush. It just gives you a natural flush on your cheeks. After that, I'll be taking my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and just highlighting all the high points of my face. So I'm just applying on my cheeks, on my bridge of my nose, on my eyebrow bone and inner corner of my eye. Now I'm taking my Sephora lipstick and applying as a base because this lipstick acts as a primer as well. And after that, I'll be taking my Smashbox Driver's Seat Coral lipstick and I'll do all over my lips. So that's it, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching my smoky eye tutorial. Let me know in the comments and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.